Here we are at the top of the Silent City.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we went to Rabat last time and we went to one of the catacombs.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
What do you think, Dad?
I think this is very lovely.
I think it's beautiful. Incoming plane. I know, right? You'd just be like, what are you doing? Cool.
To the front.
I'm
Don't touch it.
on your phone.
What are we doing?
We're just taking the photo.
I will.
Dad, don't touch it.
Something silly?
Touching it.
It's on now.
Is it video? Yes.
So we just sort of stand here.
Welcome to Malta.
Alright, selfie. Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Robert, so what do you think about the Silent City? It's not very silent.
It is actually because it's after tones of silence. It's not like
You can hear the
background
bell.
noise. It's
I think
just
it's beautiful.
instant noise and then nothing.
Manual's full of absolute info.
Your wedding in there.
No, my wedding in Sweden was 10 times better than this.
They're having a
It
wedding in
rained.
there. That's why
You rained. Kimberly, what do you think of the Silent City?
Kimbo.
Is it silent?
Get it is the aftertones. You hear a sound. The aftertones of the sound is total silence. Whereas in other places it's just background noise all the time. This just gives you the thing of silence.
I'm
You
not
enjoy
silent.
it, Kim?
I'm not silent.
My place. Is
What's your
over there.
favourite thing
Where
about
did
it?
Grandma go?
Mine's the
It's
red
still in
one.
the shop.
Oh, cool.
Can you go around down that way, or that's it?
You can go down and then zigzag and then back up, or you can go down.
15 minutes whichever way it is.
Hello.
minutes,
We
right.
went to bam bam.
Hey, door.
Hey dog.
Definitely prawn.
Hey, door.
We made it.
So we made it. Now we're leaving the Silent City. We met up with Manuel. We had coffee and cake. He's a beautiful man. Everyone's happy. We're about to get back on the boat, on the bus, and head back to St. Julian's and have another fika and some dinner and go to bed. This place is beautiful. Everything about it's
Silent
stunning.
City is just stunning.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
And we're gonna line up, get in the bus, and fall asleep. I could fall asleep. I'm that tired.
Tired too.
It was a beautiful
We
day.
jumped off right here, right?
Yeah, higher up.
Do the children grow up and just leave me?
Cool. Too raw for me. I get very sad.
Yeah, I know.
All right, so we just left the Silent City. We're now on the bus.
And the bus was on time.
Yeah, this bus was on time. So now we're heading back to the hotel on the route and just going to go and get some dinner. We'll probably end up being home at what, 6:30, 7? Something like that.
Yeah, so early.
But it's beautiful. I'm having fun.
It's been a good day. We got to see Manuel.
Got to see Manuel.
And we were only 15 minutes late.
Only 15 minutes. So he doesn't care. He knows the traffic. He lives here.
I apologize.
I'm happy. Alright, back to the hotel. Hey, door. I don't know what day it is. I don't know what time it
Saturday.
is. I don't know where I am. But all I know is I'm having a great time. Yeah, we've been in Malta now for 6 days. And it's been awesome. We've had the fan bam for the last 3 days,
Yeah.
which has been pretty testing. They're fun. I love them.
It's just
Some
a
of them.
hard group to move anywhere.
Yeah, you don't move
And
anywhere
everyone
quick.
wants to see different things.
It's great. Well, we're learning. I can't wait for our family adventure next year. I wonder where we're gonna go. I say we go to Uluru again.
No.
You know what I reckon we should do for our family adventure next year? Let's go to Craig's World. Let's go to Queensland. It's something that we all have not been to for a very long time. So now we are in St. Julian's. This place is awesome. I love it. It's only getting busier and busier. It's great. So the last couple of days we've been to Medina, Valenta, the Blue Lagoon. We've been on the buses, the ferries, all the good things to get around on. It's beautiful. We've tested a lot of foods. It's been perfect. It's been a really good trip. Me and Bear now have the next 4 days to ourselves, which is great because we deserve some couple time.
Yeah.
We're freshly married, so you know what that means. Fun times. And yeah, I just love it here. I love being with my bear. Alright, well, we're gonna go and see Kimbo and Giggles, and we're gonna go and have some of their brekkie. And say farewell. I think it's our turn to invade their area and be like, mine. So, yeah. Alright. Hey dog.
Hey dog.
Hey dog.
The midnight ear was
I think midnight's easier than 4 o'clock in the morning.
Hey Kim, where are we?
We're at the Corinthia Hotel. Marina
No,
Hotel
you're at the
Corinthia. Marina Hotel Corinthia.
See, what day is it? You lose track of it. Must be sweet.
Saturday.
It's Saturday. I thought it was Friday.
Oh no.
No, not Friday.
That was yesterday, Dad.
So here we are, having breakfast, chilling.
Malta.
And when do we leave?
Tonight we are in
Monday.
Rome.
What time is it?
Tuesday.
We leave Tuesday. But we're home on Wednesday.
Yeah, because
we'll
there's 2
leave
days
today.
flight.
We'll leave today.
The flight's 2 days.
So we don't have long anymore. We've pretty much only got. You've got 2 days left in Europe,
Oh, I'm not.
Very sad.
I want to go home.
and we've got 5 days left, and
Yeah, we'll leave on Thursday morning.
Thursday morning next week to come see you and my cat.
No.
And and Kimberly's gonna pick us up while Craig goes to the pub and has a nice drink. You gonna pick us up, Kim?
Why do you want me to pick you up?
Because you're useless.
Why can't I pick you up? I know how to drive. Just accelerator and push
I'm a
the
bit worried that
accelerator
I might not be
all
able
the
to
way
drive.
down there. You just
You might what? Be able to drive.
Drive on the wrong side of the
You
road.
couldn't even drive here.
I did drive you up.
Yeah, badly.
Sure.
Crashing is not driving.
Hey, crash once. I drove in Finland, hey.
you nearly drove into it.
You drove in Finland heaps. You drove on one street.
That's heaps for Kim.
That's heaps.
It was straight.
Yeah. I drove for about an hour and a half, but
And you
God.
stopped once.
And you hit the curb 3 times.
no, that was in Scotland on the right side of the road. In Scotland,
What side of road were we driving in Finland, honey?
we were driving on the other side of the road.
The right side.
Yeah, that's the other side.
No,
No, that's the right
That's
side.
the right
Yeah,
side.
that's the other side to what we drive.
That's what you were doing in Scotland.
Yeah. No, I was driving on the right side to what we drive.
Yeah.
It's the right.
And you still hit the curve. Is
I
that
did like peak right side of the road.
No.
Not like the not like left. and
Sweden,
right.
Sweden drive on the right side of the road.
So I was. It was a massive van. That was hard to drive.
Yeah, it was a big van.
It was a massive van.
But that one had windows.
Yeah, it did.
The one in Copenhagen didn't.
No.
The Copenhagen bus was awesome.
But it was bad because it didn't have any windows.
But it was awesome. This is my life.
It's my life.
Do you know how many people would love to have your life at the moment?
Yesterday we were on that bus.
Sitting here over
Is it on time?
Hey Kim, how was your trip?
It was this coffee. The cup of this coffee is so good. My trip to where? Where did I go?
Malta.
Ah, Malta. My trip to Malta. It was.
She's stealing marshmallow.
She's not drinking her own. She's doing your marshmallows
Was
and
it?
my fry.
You're packing every single marshmallow. I did that. You probably won't even drink the whole thing.
And nobody can get it.
So how was your trip to Malta?
I would say 4.5
4.5
out of 5.
out of 5.
We lost 0.5 if we didn't bring our kids with us.
Lollipop?
She's cute.
If we didn't have kids with us.
Lollipop?
Lollipop. Oh, thank you. Now Mummy's turn.
Lollipop, Mama? Lollipop?
Oh, is that a good hit, Greg?
Right.
I went to bring the ice out, but I went down.
Have a bite.
How was your trip, Dad?
Get out of there.
Don't end up everywhere.
Yes, my trip was okay, actually. My only problem was children, mine and others. Yeah, that was.
Well, my trip was good. I'm still here for another 4 days. And I'm still on my honeymoon. I'll just be chilling here for another 4 days, doing nothing, enjoying. We're going out tonight. I don't know. Carbon.
It's gonna be. That'll be fun going out tonight. Guess what? I'm going out tonight too.
Where are you going?
Clubbing.
I'm going
Italy.
to Rome tonight. From Rome Airport to Rome Central Termini.
With Joe, bro.
That's where I'm going. And in the Termini, I know there's a bottle shop downstairs. That's where I'm going.
She knows her run.
She knows
I know,
where to
bro.
get what she wants to drink and when she
Know
wants it.
where to go. And there's a crepe place downstairs and a waffle place downstairs.
So, all in all, the holiday was fantastic. Don't you reckon? This is the last time we're all going to be together in Europe. In Europe together. Ever? I don't think it'll be ever.
Never. Kimberly and I have decided when I'm travelling.
Not travelling with those kids again?
Never.
You never know, we can come back. Well, how are we going to visit
Travel
the
with you and
Swedish...
Sarah, but we won't travel with others.
Well, you've got to come with our kids this time, so you two can be all...
We'd be the grandparents, hey?
Yeah. So it's going to be a good time. But what I find funny is how are you going to come and visit the Swedish farm?
Swedish farm. By the time we get back to visit
No. We don't need to visit the Swedish farm. We just need to send Nate over to the
We just need to put him in a crate, send the crate over with a few air holes.
brilliant idea.
I reckon you could. You just got to easily just...
How about you go
Run.
get the crepes and I'll stay here?
Okay.
You better run fast.
How far away is it?
It's around
8K.
down
It's,
around the bar.
it's about 30 seconds walk if you can walk on water.
There's one just around the corner up there.
Oh yeah, right here
Google
around
it.
the corner.
Google the...
Oh my god, you don't know where it is?
Where it is. Exactly know where
What's
it
it
is.
called, did it?
Crate.
No,
Okay.
Lucky Peppies.
I'm not even going to name it. I'm just going to pinpoint it because
What was the password?
It's there.
That's all right.
it's a 7-minute drive.
So go directions and it'll tell you how far to walk. 22-minute walk.
One way.
One way.
1.8 Ks.
2 kilometres.
Well, we can walk until 2 o'clock and then turn around.
Why don't we just walk down to your hotel, drop the water off, and then we'll turn around and come back.
You can do that if you want.
Probably best.
I'm getting the Corinthian staff internet from here.
Then me and my wife will end up walking down to the place anyway.
Dude, third one down.
Do telephone Hero Black. Yeah, that's me. I'm everywhere. Is that good, Kimberly?
That's that, isn't it?
Alright, well, we're off. So, how you doing, Bam Bam? How you doing? How you doing?
Where are you going?
Great.
Can you bring back me a crepe?
Sure. Bye, children. Bye. Bye, children. How you doing?